ahead and give this stuff a try. This oil of oregano from Micro Ingredients. I tested this out to make sure that it works for me. And the last time that everybody else was getting sick around me, I took this and I didn't get a touch of it. And everybody else seemed like they were bedridden for like 3 days. I had this really terrible cough, really bad fever, headache, and diarrhea that just wouldn't go away. But I was able to skip the last like 3 or 4 times that stuff was going around. And because I was taking 2 of these at the onset of everybody else getting sick. So I'll leave a link down below for you. You want to keep this on hand in your medicine cabinet, especially before the next 6 season. So get some while it's still available. Hit that orange shopping cart to order today.